Hello everyone, hope you're fine and doing good. In my today's video, I will tell you about the message problem in your device IQOO 90. So in this device, if you're having any problem related to the sending messages, like your messages are not sending or you are having the error message not sent, you can easily fix it by following the few steps as I will show you in this video. Before we jump into the video, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Follow the steps and watch my video and you will learn about how you can fix the message problem in your device. Let's watch the video.